In this video, I'll show you which website builder is actually the best for consultants and which ones you should avoid if you're just getting started. We'll compare the most popular options, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, and Hostinger, to see which one truly makes it easy to build a professional consulting website without any coding or design experience. By the end of this video, you'll know which builder is the easiest to start with and which ones might slow you down, so you can pick the right platform and get online fast. Plus, if you're ready to dive in, you'll find the best deal on my top pick linked in the description. Let's jump right in. When it comes to creating a website for your consulting business, Wix is one of the easiest and most comprehensive platforms available. It's designed specifically for professionals who need a polished, functional website without a steep learning curve. Wix handles everything from setup to design to hosting, so you don't need to worry about technical details. Whether you're setting up a simple landing page to promote your services or a full-featured consulting website to manage your client base, Wix offers all the tools you need to create a professional site quickly. One of Wix's standout features is its drag and drop editor, which gives you complete creative control. You can place elements anywhere on the page, swap images, change text, and adjust layouts, all without any coding required. This level of customization is perfect for consultants who want to personalize their site exactly the way they envision it. Wix offers over 1,000 templates, including those specifically designed for consultants, giving you a solid foundation that you can fully customize to reflect your unique brand and business goals. Wix also includes a broad range of features that are particularly useful for consultants. You can easily set up service pages to clearly outline your offerings, integrate client testimonials to build trust, and add booking systems that allow clients to schedule appointments directly through your website. Wix's CRM tools help you manage client interactions and track leads efficiently, which is essential for staying organized. The platform also includes SEO tools to make it easier for potential clients to find you online and offers professional email services for better business communication. As your consulting business grows, Wix grows with you. Whether you need to add a blog to share insights, integrate a payment system for client bookings, or expand into e-commerce, Wix offers the flexibility to scale your website as your needs evolve. The multilingual feature helps you reach international clients, and Wix's mobile optimization ensures your site looks great on all devices. Now, when it comes to pricing, Wix offers several plans to suit different needs. The Lite plan starts at $17 per month, perfect for getting started, while the Core plan at $29 per month includes features like bookings and payment systems. As your business expands, you can upgrade to the Business plan at $36 per month for more advanced tools. This makes Wix a flexible, scalable solution for consultants at all stages of growth. With its combination of ease of use, powerful client tools, and scalability, Wix is an excellent choice for consultants who want a professional, adaptable website that supports their business as it grows. Squarespace is known for its clean, minimalist templates, making it an appealing choice for consultants who want a polished and professional look for their websites. The platform is user-friendly with an easy-to-use editor that allows for quick setup. However, it operates within a rigid grid system that can limit flexibility when it comes to layout customization. For consultants who need more control over how their site looks and functions, this restrictive structure can feel limiting, especially when trying to make adjustments that fit specific branding or service offerings. While Squarespace offers some initial tools, such as MailChimp, Stripe, and scheduling integrations, its app ecosystem is smaller compared to other platforms. This can be a disadvantage for consultants who may want to scale or expand their business with more specialized tools or integrations. Squarespace's closed system keeps things simple but can restrict your ability to add advanced functionality as your consulting business grows. Pricing starts at $16 per month, with more advanced plans going up to $39. While Squarespace can work well for small, static consulting websites, it's less flexible than Wix if you want to make future adjustments, integrate more features, or grow your business online. WordPress.org offers more control than any other platform, making it a popular choice for consultants who need extensive customization. However, this control comes with complexity. While the software itself is free and open source, you'll need to manage your own hosting, set up a domain, and install WordPress manually or through your hosting provider. Now, on top of that, you're responsible for maintaining security, backups, and updates, which can become time-consuming. For consultants, customizing a site typically means using a combination of themes and plugins, many of which require regular maintenance and updates. WordPress is highly flexible, allowing you to build everything from a simple consulting website to an extensive online presence. However, the learning curve is steep. Even with drag and drop builders like Elementor or Divi, which work on top of WordPress, there's a significant amount of time needed to learn and configure the platform. You'll often find yourself watching tutorials, adjusting plugin settings, and troubleshooting conflicts. So if you're a consultant who's comfortable managing technical details and you need full control over your website, WordPress can be a powerful solution. Hostinger is known for its affordable web hosting, and its website builder has improved over time, but it remains relatively basic. It offers a limited selection of templates and basic drag and drop tools. However, for consultants, it lacks the flexibility and advanced features that more specialized platforms provide. The platform operates on a grid system and doesn't have an app marketplace for adding extra functionality. Pricing is Hostinger's main advantage, with the premium plan starting at $2.99 per month for up to 25 websites and the business plan at $3.99 per month for up to 50 websites. These options are great if you need a simple, budget-friendly site. However, if you're looking for greater design flexibility, more customization options, and advanced client management tools to help you manage and grow your consulting business, Hostinger may not meet those needs. It's best suited for very basic websites, but lacks scalability and features needed for professional consultants. So, which website builder should you choose? If you're a consultant looking to build a professional, easy to manage website that helps convert clients, Wix is the best choice. It's easy to use, flexible, and packed with client-focused tools like booking systems, testimonials, and service pages. Wix grows with your business, letting you add new features as you scale. Plus, its SEO tools and over 800 apps help improve client engagement and streamline management, all without needing technical expertise. It's a complete solution that simplifies everything so you can focus on your clients. Squarespace is a solid option for those looking to create simple, aesthetically pleasing websites, but it lacks the level of customization and advanced client tools that Wix offers. So if you want more than a basic site or need to manage client interactions effectively, Squarespace may fall short for consultants who require a fully integrated professional website. WordPress offers more control, but comes with a steep learning curve. It requires managing hosting, security, and plugins, which can be overwhelming for consultants seeking a simpler, more manageable solution. For those who need a straightforward, professional website, WordPress can feel unnecessarily complex and time-consuming. Hostinger is affordable, but lacks the design flexibility and client tools that Wix offers. Its limited templates and grid layout make it harder to create a professional, customizable website. While fine for basic sites, it's not ideal for consultants needing advanced features and scalability. So, if you're starting from scratch and want a site that looks great on any device without spending hours setting it up, Wix is by far the best place to begin. It's simple, scalable, and packed with features that make it ideal for consultants. You can try it for free using the link in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.